Hello, my name's Carly Kowalski, and today I'm going to show you how you can bulk download associated documents. First, what we're going to do is we're going to look up that address. I already have my address here. I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. Wait for it to load here. From this page, I'm going to click on the Documents icon. On the Associated Documents page, check the boxes of the documents you'd like to download all into one folder. Click on Export, click on Download. From there, you'll notice that those documents will download into a zip folder. One thing to note is that only files that are marked public, as you can see here, will be available to download. That's it. Thank you for watching.